back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a pretty simple nail tutorial. I didn't use my screen in this one. I think I have one more that I also haven't used my screen, but I stayed pretty much in frame on this one because I think I really tried super hard. But I do a lot of real time in this video, so I'm not gonna sit here and talk through the entire video. To be honest, you probably don't want me to, so I'm going to jump in and out with commentary, and then we can just, make it as a smooth process. So I'm taking Show Me the Honey on my thumb and ring finger. I usually do my thumb completely done by itself, just so I don't have gel slipping down the side or anything like that. So I'll do the color and then I'll come back, and when I do one step I will use that as well and just do the thumb and cure that all separate. So I am going to do the sandwich technique from Selena Ryden, and essentially you do this on the bottom and then you're clear and then you do this on top. So I'm going to take, again, Show Me the Honey. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. On my middle finger, I do a very thin layer. So that's why you see me doing essentially just dragging the color. Hindsight, probably didn't need to put this color down, but I had done it on my other hand, so I just continued to do it on this hand. So that's why I'm getting super flat with it, because I really didn't want color. I just didn't want it to be clear, but again, I think I would do it clear next time. And then I am going to come in with the ring finger and do the same thing with Show Me the Honey. So I'm taking Let's Pollinate, and I'm going to do my pointer finger and my pinky finger in the same steps. So I'm coming in with a second coat for everybody, and I'm going to put my first coat of the glitter on as well, which is Be in Your Bonnet. So I am taking one step. I finally got my new jar, so excited. I still have my little jar when I use like loose glitters, so I don't get a bunch of loose glitters in here, but I'm sure it'll happen. So I am taking one step, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the first layer. I had a little bit on the back of my brush, that's why I've had it over. And so this is the slip layer, which you put over all of your nail to essentially guide where you want the gel to go. And then I do two different methods. This is the roll off method, which I think I do the roll off method on bigger nails, because you'll see me also put some down on a smaller nail and not do the roll off. I am flipping over my nail to level it and get more of the gel in the middle, and it ends up smoothing it out. And you can see me kind of manipulating the gel to have a better apex. So I'm continuing on the rest of my nails, the same steps. So I'm going to wipe it off with cleanser, which is alcohol and nail polish remover. And I'm going to file my nails. I do get in frame, I promise. Yep, there we go. Don't be afraid to, get your nails super smooth. There's a reason we did color on the bottom and reason we're gonna do color on top. So just make it correct with the apex and your shape, and worry about color again at the end.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant.
Okay, so now we are doing our final color application. You could technically do one color application and then the one step and then this, so it's like one clear one. Some of them I find needed two, like Show Me the Honey needed two because it's still pretty see-through. Again, it's up to you and the colors that you're using.
The words you made. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Taking Super Shiny to do the top coat, which I cure for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to wash my hands, cleanse them, cuticle oil them, and we'll be at the end. So I will catch you in my next video, and I'll let you guys finish this off. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.